This is our assembly on Global Citizenship by KS5 P2.
What is a global citizen?
Someone who knows their rights.
Believe everyone has rights.
Is committed to working towards a world where everyone can access the rights.
All humans are of equal worth and share an equal entitlement to enjoy the rights set out in the UNCRC. A global citizen is someone who believes in global justice and acts to make the world a safer, fairer and more sustainable place in which human rights are protected and respected. Promote the idea of taking action and building solidarity with people rather than doing things to or for people.
The benefits are felt across the school and beyond. Global citizenship helps young people to
their own understanding of world events.
Think about their values and what's important to them.
Take learning into the world.
Challenge ignorance and intolerance.
Get involved in their local, national and global communities. An argument and voice their opinions.
That they have power to act and influence the world around them.
How we implement rights at Scotland School.
Rights respecting ambassadors within our lessons, PSHE lessons, our class charters which we have on the wall, assemblies, weekly rights on the board to discuss in form, World Children's Day and other organised events, and finally in class dojo.